Today, we're diving into one of America's best-selling sedans, the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry. The 2025 Toyota Camry is completely redesigned and built on the TNGA platform. This year, Toyota is going all in on efficiency. Every single trim is hybrid. It comes in 5 trims: LE, SE, XLE, XSE, and the sporty Nightshade Edition. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 225 horsepower to the front wheels, or 232 horsepower if you go with all-wheel drive. The 2025 Camry is a total makeover from front to back. Up front, you get a lower, wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more aggressive stance. It's more Lexus than Toyota now, and we're here for it. The SE and XSE trims bring sportier elements, think gloss black accents, rear spoilers, and even 19-inch wheels. And let's not forget the Nightshade Edition, which goes full stealth mode with blackout badges and bronze wheels. Overall, this isn't your dad's Camry. It's sharper, bolder, and easily one of the best-looking sedans in its class. Step inside, and the Camry greets you with a clean, modern layout. Even the base trims look upscale with soft-touch materials and detailed stitching. At the center, you've got a 7-inch or available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8 or 12.3-inch infotainment screen, depending on trim. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's available wireless charging too. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. There's plenty of legroom, good headroom, and wide-opening doors make entry super easy. Toyota's also thrown in plenty of practical storage, cup holders, center console space, and even generous trunk room. The 2025 Camry doesn't just look good, it's a seriously comfortable ride. Toyota has improved cabin insulation, making this one of the quietest Camrys yet. The seats offer good support for long drives, and the suspension strikes a nice balance between smooth cruising and sporty control. If you're going for maximum comfort, the XLE trim is where it's at, with ventilated front seats, memory settings, and optional JBL premium audio. Let's talk performance. While you won't be winning drag races, the 2025 Camry feels confident and composed. The hybrid powertrain is responsive, and the eCVT delivers smooth acceleration. The steering has a sportier feel this year, especially in SE and XSE trims. And with available all-wheel drive, it handles bad weather like a champ. Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes let you tweak the experience. In Sport mode, you'll feel a noticeable boost in throttle response. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Toyota Camry? It's more stylish, more fuel-efficient, and more refined than ever. Toyota's hybrid-only gamble pays off big with great MPG and everyday drivability. And while some might miss the old V6, most buyers will love what this new Camry offers. If you're looking for a practical, comfortable, and good-looking sedan that doesn't feel boring, this just might be the best Camry yet. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and comment below. Would you go hybrid with the new Camry?